Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you, and it is Thursday, April the 4th. This is a quick recap on how the trading went today. Let's just dive right in. Man, what a crazy afternoon we had. I haven't seen a sell-off like this in quite a while. I can't remember the last time that we had this kind of sell-off. I mean, no pullback, no bounce, very little at least. And we sell and close at the lows. So, I mean, I was looking at the daily chart, and this is looking pretty bearish. Tomorrow should be a pretty interesting day. But, yeah, I definitely did not do my best trading today. I had started here. Here. So my first two trades were just terrible. I started this morning, and it seems like about once a month, I have to remind myself that I do not like trading from, the 9:30 to 10 o'clock range. Like the 9:30 to 10 o'clock, that high volatility, it seems like once a month, it's like I need to remind myself that that is not for me. And this morning was that morning. We took a trade when the volatility was really high, and we just ripped lower, had one of those nice big red boner candles. And it took me out. And then I went and tried it again. Again, took me out. So pretty disappointed. I did go short then here. We did take some nice trades then here, and took a nice trade here. We kind of clawed our way back. And then just as we kind of started to break even, I would go and take a nice red trade, like right here, and then again right here. So did have a trade here that was green, but just overall, it just was a battle today. I think at one point we were down close to $400 in drawdown. So kind of battled our way back to negative $138. Kind of okay with that compared to where we were at one point in the day. And just, I was pretty frustrated with myself, at least on trading this account. Pretty frustrated with myself that I didn't just hop in on this. I thought we would bounce. I thought we'd see some kind of bounce, and we never did. This thing just kept selling. And sometimes that's the hardest trades to do, to trust that the trend will continue. Or at least for me, on NQ, it feels like we get these V-shaped reversals every day. And I kept waiting for that to happen. And I kept being very cautious and thinking that was going to happen, instead of just trusting the trend and going with the trend. And I know it's a lot easier in hindsight to look at the chart now and be like, yeah, Wayne, why didn't you just short and hold your shorts and make $1 million? Well, you know why. Anyway, so that account wasn't great, but we did have an okay day. Let's switch to our other accounts, and we did trade all of our accounts again today. Overall, I'm happy. I'm happy with how the day went. We did take a max loss on this account, $671 loss. My own fault. I was being way too risky. And I was trying to scalp. I was trying to scalp on that big move lower, and I picked the wrong time to go short. And it was so volatile. I should not have been trading with minis. But yeah, it was so volatile, and it just made a nice move higher. And some of those candles were 20 points, 30 points candles. So it took me out, and I just called it there on these accounts. But, excuse me. But again, I'm okay with it. Having one red account. And the rest green, basically kind of cycle through the accounts. A lot of these I traded, some of them at least I traded pre-market. But yeah, I'm happy. And we are making progress, which is what is important. We now have quite a bit of these accounts, around $1,200 in profit. And then now we have one straggler. So hopefully we can have a good day on that account here in the next couple of days. But again, we'll take it. This is the TradeZella. This is what it looks like. So starting off April on the right foot. I like it. Okay, I think that is... Oh, excuse me. My annoying cough just keeps rearing its ugly head. I'm so sick and tired of it. I'm sure you guys are just as sick of it as well. So I apologize. But yeah, that's it for today. And we'll be back at it tomorrow morning. It should be an interesting day. I'm really curious to see what the overnight market does. I might trade some of that. I'm not sure. But tomorrow should be an interesting day. I guess we'll see. But anyway, take care. Hope you have a great rest of your evening, and God bless.